Do you know if there is a pharmacy near here?
Hello, welcome to the pharmacy. How can I help you today?
Yes, I have a sore throat.
Do you have any allergies to medicine? You should also eat light and healthy food.
And you can rest as soon as we arrive. You did a great job taking care of yourself and following the instructions.
Jonah, excuse me, can we please stop walking for a moment? Because I suddenly feel very tired and a little weak.
Of course, Elena. We can stop right here. Please take your time and try to relax for a moment. What exactly are you feeling right now?
Honestly, I don't feel very good because my head is starting to hurt and my whole body feels heavy and uncomfortable.
I understand. So you are feeling tired and you also have a headache. Did this start just now or did you feel like this earlier today?
I was okay this morning, but after lunch, I started to feel a little tired, and now I feel much worse than before.
Thank you for explaining that clearly. Let's sit down for a few minutes so you can rest and see if you feel a little better.
Yes, that would really help me because I feel like I need to sit down and relax.
Elena, can I ask you a few simple questions so I can understand your situation better and help you?
Yes, of course. Please ask me anything because I also want to understand what is happening to me.
Do you feel hot, like you might have a fever, or do you feel normal?
I feel a little hot, especially on my face and forehead, so I think I might have a small fever.
Okay, thank you for telling me. Do you also have a cough or any problem when you breathe?
Yes, I have a light cough, and sometimes my throat feels dry and uncomfortable when I speak.
I see. That is important information. Do you feel cold at the same time or only hot?
Sometimes I feel hot, but sometimes I also feel a little cold, which is strange.
Yes, that can happen when you have a fever. Let's continue checking a few more things. Can you tell me if you feel dizzy when you stand up or when you walk for a long time?
Yes, I feel a little dizzy when I stand up too quickly, and it makes me feel uncomfortable and weak.
Thank you for explaining that. How about your throat? Does it hurt when you swallow food or drink water?
Yes, my throat hurts a little when I swallow, and it feels dry most of the time.
I understand. Do you also have a runny nose or a blocked nose?
Yes, my nose is a little blocked, and sometimes it is hard for me to breathe normally.
All right. Thank you for telling me everything clearly. This really helps me understand your condition better.
You're welcome, Jonah. I just hope it is not something serious, 'cause I feel quite uncomfortable. Jonah, do you think I should go to the hospital right now, or do you think it is okay to wait?
I think your symptoms are not too serious at the moment, so we can go to a pharmacy first and ask for advice and medicine.
That sounds like a good idea, because I don't want to go to the hospital unless it is really necessary.
Yes, I agree with you. It is always better to try simple treatment first if the problem is not too serious.
Do you know if there is a pharmacy near here?
Yes, I remember. There is a pharmacy just around the corner, so we can walk there slowly together.
Okay, thank you for helping me. I really appreciate your support right now.
You're welcome, Elena. Let's go slowly and carefully.
Hello, welcome to the pharmacy. How can I help you today?
Hello, thank you. We would like some help because my friend is not feeling well today.
Hello, I'm sorry to bother you, but I feel sick and I would like to ask for some advice.
That's completely okay. You are not bothering me at all. Can you please tell me what symptoms you have?
Yes, I feel very tired. I have a headache, and I think I also have a small fever.
I understand. Thank you for explaining clearly. I will ask you a few more questions to help you better.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate your help.
Do you have a sore throat or any pain when you swallow?
Yes, I have a sore throat, and it hurts a little when I swallow food or drink water.
I see. Do you also have a cough?
Yes, I have a light cough, especially when my throat feels dry.
Thank you. Do you feel any body pain, like pain in your muscles or joints?
Yes, my body feels heavy and a little painful, especially in my back and shoulders.
All right. Thank you for giving me all this information. It is very helpful for me to choose the right medicine.
We're glad to hear that, and we really appreciate your careful questions.
Thank you for explaining your symptoms clearly. Now, could you please tell me how long you have been feeling like this?
I started to feel a little tired yesterday afternoon, but at that time it was not very serious, so I did not pay much attention to it.
I understand. So yesterday, the symptoms were mild, but today they became stronger. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. Today I feel more tired, and my headache is also worse than yesterday.
Yes, this morning she said she felt okay, but after lunch she started to feel much worse and more uncomfortable.
Thank you for explaining that in detail. It is very helpful for me to understand how your condition is changing over time.
Yes, I was hoping it would go away by itself, but unfortunately it did not improve.
That was a good decision to come here today, instead of waiting longer. Before I recommend any medicine, I would like to ask you an important question about your medical history. Do you have any allergies to medicine?
I'm not completely sure, but as far as I remember, I have never had any serious allergies to medicine before.
That is good to know. Have you ever taken medicine for fever or cough in the past?
Yes, I have taken medicine for a cold before, and I did not have any problems at that time.
That is very helpful information. Did you ever feel sick, dizzy, or uncomfortable after taking medicine?
No, I did not feel anything unusual, and I felt better after taking it.
Yes, I also remember that she recovered normally without any side effects.
Excellent. Thank you both for confirming. That makes it safer for me to recommend the right medicine. Based on the symptoms you described, I can recommend a few different types of medicine to help you feel better.
Thank you very much. Could you please explain the options slowly, because I want to understand clearly?
Of course. I will explain everything step by step. First, I can give you tablets to reduce your fever and relieve your headache.
That sounds helpful because my headache is quite uncomfortable right now.
Second, for your cough and sore throat, I can offer you a cough syrup or throat lozenges.
I see. I'm not sure which one is better. Could you explain the difference?
Yes. The cough syrup is a liquid that helps calm your throat, while lozenges are small tablets that you slowly dissolve in your mouth.
That explanation is very clear. Thank you for giving us different choices.
The tablets are very simple to take. You just need to swallow them with water, and they will help reduce your fever and pain.
Okay, that sounds easy to follow. I think I can do that without any problem.
For the cough syrup, you will need to measure the correct amount using a spoon or a small measuring cup.
I understand. I will make sure to measure it carefully so I take the correct amount.
Yes, that is very important to make sure the medicine works properly.
Between the syrup and the lozenges, which one do you think is better for my condition?
Since you have both a cough and a sore throat, I recommend using both the syrup and lozenges for better results.
That sounds like a good plan because it treats all the symptoms at the same time.
Excuse me, could you please explain how often I should take each medicine so I do not make a mistake?
Of course. You should take 1 tablet every 6 hours, and you should not take more than 4 tablets in one day.
Thank you for explaining that clearly. I will be careful to follow that rule.
For the cough syrup, you should take 2 teaspoons 3 times a day, preferably after meals.
Okay, I will take it after breakfast, lunch, and dinner so I can remember easily.
That is a very good plan. It will help you keep a regular schedule.
Yes, that sounds simple and easy to follow. Thank you for making it clear for us.
Excuse me, I would like to ask one more question before I take the medicine. Are there any side effects that I should know about?
That is a very good and important question. Some people may feel a little sleepy after taking this medicine.
I see. So I should be careful if I start to feel sleepy after taking it.
Yes, exactly. You should avoid driving or doing anything that requires full attention if you feel sleepy.
Thank you for warning me. I will be careful and take it when I can rest.
That is very useful advice. We are glad you told us about this.
You are welcome. It is always important to understand how the medicine may affect you. Just to make sure everything is clear, could you please repeat the instructions back to me?
Yes, I will take 1 tablet every 6 hours, and I will not take more than 4 tablets in one day.
Very good. And what about the cough syrup?
I will take 2 teaspoons 3 times a day after meals.
Excellent. And what will you do if you feel sleepy?
If I feel sleepy, I will rest and avoid doing anything dangerous.
Perfect. You understood everything very well.
Thank you for checking. That really helps her remember everything clearly.
All right, I will prepare the medicine for you now. Please wait a moment while I get everything ready.
Thank you very much. We will wait here.
Here is your medicine. The total cost is $10.
Okay, thank you. Can I pay by cash, or do you also accept card?
You can pay by cash or card, whichever's more convenient for you.
I will pay by cash. Here you are.
Thank you very much. Here is your change and your receipt.
Thank you for your kind and patient service today.
Before you leave, I would like to give you some simple advice to help you recover faster.
Yes, please. I would really like to know what I should do to feel better soon.
You should drink plenty of water, get enough rest, and avoid cold or ice drinks for a few days.
Thank you. I will follow your advice carefully.
You should also eat light and healthy food and avoid anything too oily or spicy.
I understand. I will try to eat simple food and take good care of myself.
That is very helpful advice. Thank you for taking the time to explain everything.
Thank you very much for your help and for explaining everything so clearly.
You are very welcome. I hope you feel better very soon.
We really appreciate your kindness and your patience with us today.
It was my pleasure to help you. Please take care on your way home.
Yes, we will. Thank you again and have a great day.
You too. Take care and get well soon.
How do you feel now after talking to the pharmacist and getting the medicine?
I feel a little better because now I understand my condition and what I need to do.
That's great to hear. Understanding the situation often helps us feel less worried.
Yes, before I felt confused and worried, but now I feel more relaxed and confident.
That is good. We will go home slowly, and you can rest as soon as we arrive.
Thank you for helping me today. I really appreciate your support. Okay, I will take the medicine now exactly as the pharmacist instructed.
Yes, please remember to take 1 tablet and drink a full glass of water.
Thank you for reminding me. I want to make sure I follow the instructions correctly.
That is very important. Taking medicine the right way helps you recover faster.
I will also take the cough syrup after I eat something.
Good idea. Let's keep track of the time so you don't forget.
Jonah, I feel much better today compared to yesterday, and my headache is almost gone.
That's wonderful news. I'm really happy to hear that you are improving.
Yes, the medicine, rest, and your help really made a big difference.
You did a great job taking care of yourself and following the instructions.
Thank you. I also feel more confident speaking English in real-life situations now. Today, I learned how to explain my symptoms clearly and ask for medicine politely at the pharmacy.
Yes, and we also learned how to understand instructions, ask questions, and make good decisions.
If you are learning English, please practice these sentences slowly and repeat them many times.
You can also practice with your friends or try to use these sentences in real life.
We hope this video helps you feel more confident when you visit a pharmacy.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life English lessons.
See you in the next video.